Hi, again, welcome. This is Prof. Prince here. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to set up your Zoom account correctly so that you can be able to join the classes online without any issue. So please, to um, you want to you want to follow this tutorial very carefully because if you don't, you're going to have issues joining the class. Okay. So you do two things. And I'm going to work. Most of you already have what it takes. Okay. Most of you already have Zoom accounts on your phone. I can say that at least 6 out of 10 people have Zoom on their phone because in one way or the other they've joined Zoom during the COVID-19 pandemic. And even after that, those who are in post-secondary schools have also used Zoom for classes online. So they've been forced. But some people just click on the Zoom and they join. So they join, and they have to set up their name and everything. So that shouldn't be like that. I'm going to walk you through how to do this. The first thing you need is to be on the Chrome profile where your Gmail or whatever email you want to use is open. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it, okay? Let me share my screen. So you're going to see, I'm going to, okay, so I'll zoom here. You can see I already have this email there open. I will open it because if I do, again, YouTube's going to flood the video and it will not be available. So click here and let's go to Zoom, okay? Zoom Seller. Let's go to Zoom Seller, for example. Okay, for Windows. Sign up for Zoom. Okay, very, very important. Sign up for Zoom. That's what you do. Click on sign up for Zoom. And one of the, so you can see where it says you should verify your age. Let's say you are 1992, and then you continue. Okay, now, very, very important. Don't enter your email. Use a very smart approach. If your Facebook is opened on these tabs, you can go say what sign up with Facebook. This is what they call single sign-on. What it does is that it captures, in fact, it uses the data from Facebook to authenticate your Zoom account. You will learn this when we call API programming, all of that. But because my Gmail is open, I'm going to use what? Google. The reason why I ask for your Gmail to be open is because then you don't have to log into any Gmail, right? Then we click Google. So I have this account open or look in. So Zoom is going to capture details from here, my email and the the Gmail account name is LionTech Office Virtual. See this here? Now we sign in. Okay, there you go. Google will allow Zoom to access this info about you. See that? This info. Do you agree? I'll say it's an agreement for what I continue. By continuing, it means that I'm agreeing. And you can see that. Then now, of course, what? I create my account now with very few steps. Look at what? This is my account. Account is created. Forget about this. But I say that if you want to have 50% on Zoom, that's if you want to sign up, right, for anything. Then you can see I'm signing up, period. Straightforward, this is all you need, okay? Now, again, what? You now need to go ahead and so we go to Microsoft Store. I already have it here. And again, what? We are going to need to download the Zoom in fact, the Zoom desktop application. If you have this, once you click on any Zoom link, you join the call automatically because you have an account it will not ask you to authenticate. It only asks you to authenticate if you need, if you don't have an account. That's why you'll be asked the Zoom ID, this and that, okay? Only that. So just type Zoom in your Microsoft Store. See that? Zoom Workspace. Click there. Then what? We click on Install. So now we can install Zoom. See? Microsoft Store again. It's installing. So we wait. We wait. And you can see Zoom is done. Once you install it, you must sign into it. That's it, okay? Once you sign into it, that's it. It's done. And what? You leave it signed in forever. And then the same email you use, again, what? Go to Play Store, download Zoom. Then what? You sign into Zoom with the exact same email. So be it from your phone, from your desktop, you are good to go. Okay? This is the most important part of preparing for the class. If you already have Zoom, bravo, no further actions. But if you don't have Zoom set up this way, then you want to have it set up that way, okay? Okay. So now you have Zoom already installed. And let's see, it should give me the open option very soon. All right, but let's see what we got here. So we come here now, we can type Zoom. I can see, I can open my Zoom now because already installed. I go on the search bar, Zoom. Again, now I have to sign in, okay? Because it's installed, you have to, if you don't sign in, you're still going to have issues joining meetings. So click on sign in. Again, I don't have to put in my email, just what? Go with sign in with Google. The same thing on your phone, right? If you already have your Gmail, which most of you already have your emails locked on your phone, so just what? Go for this option. And you see it what? It recognizes the email opened, and then I just go with it. And you're gonna see continue. Now what? I am now locked in. So it's asking me, I can see no what, yeah, always allow, and then I can what? Open Zoom meetings. So now this is your Zoom account. And if I were you, the last thing I do is to pin this to my taskbar. Okay, pin to taskbar. And trust me, with this, you can what? That's it. Okay, you can join any meeting from with this account without having to input details or say, oh, I can't join. Please, this is what you have to do. Okay, thank you so much. Very brief video, but very, very important. Join your Zoom meetings the right way. And let's say you're not comfortable with this name, just go to what? Profile. And you know what? I can change my name. I can go to profile here. And you can see I can what? So I can do this name. Display name. So when you join your Zoom, how do you want them to be displayed? I can say, I want what? I want to be Prof. Prince, okay? Like that. Then I save. So it means that though the account name is this, my display name is this, I can also change this picture because when I join Zoom meetings, this is the picture that is going to show. Just click on edit and it should be good to go. All right, that's it. Period. Okay, thank you so much for joining. It's been wonderful that you enjoy this and you are able to watch this to set up your Zoom account both on mobile uh, and on your desktop. Okay, thank you so much and see you next time. Thank you.